Say hello to the ARGO Cargo Kit bike, your all-in-one solution for urban commuting. Whether you're cycling to work or just exploring your city, this bike has some incredible features to offer. The first thing that'll catch your eye is the sleek design. It's not just stylish, it's also practical. The ARGO Cargo Kit bike is engineered for the modern commuter, so let's take a closer look. But what truly sets this bike apart is its folding mechanism. With a quick, effortless fold, it transforms into a compact package, making it easy to store in tight spaces and take on public transportation. One of the standout features of this bike is the cargo rack. It's perfect for carrying your groceries, backpack, or even your kid. Riding the ARGO Cargo Kit bike feels like a breeze. The smooth and agile handling allows you to navigate through traffic and tight spots without a hitch. It's perfect for weaving through those congested city streets. And the next bike, introducing the Monkeycycle, the 8-in-1 bike that grows with your child, bringing years of adventure and joy. With its unique and innovative design, the Monkeycycle adapts to your child's changing needs. It starts as a tricycle for those first wobbly steps, and then transforms as your child grows, from a trike to a balance bike, and eventually into a full-fledged bicycle. No need to buy multiple bikes as your child grows. The Monkeycycle is there every step of the way. The Monkeycycle is an absolute game changer. It saves us money, and our child never gets bored with it. Safety is our top priority. The Monkeycycle is built to last with sturdy materials, adjustable seats, and safety harnesses to ensure your child's comfort and security. Watch your child gain confidence and independence while riding their Monkeycycle. It's more than just a bike, it's a journey. The HalfBike is a revolutionary mode of transportation that combines the compactness of a bike with the fun of a scooter. It's a fresh take on urban commuting, designed for those who crave a unique riding experience. One of the coolest things about the HalfBike is its portability. With a quick and simple folding mechanism, you can easily take it with you on public transportation or store it in small spaces. Riding the HalfBike is a blast. It's a perfect mix of cycling and running. You use your body's natural motion to steer and propel yourself forward. It's like gliding through the city streets. HalfBike has a growing community of riders worldwide, and they love to share their adventures. It's not just a means of transportation, it's a lifestyle that promotes fitness and connection. It's the Unit 1 FARO Smart Helmet, equipped with MIPS technology, built-in lights, and certified for bicycle safety. Feast your eyes on the Unit 1 FARO Smart Helmet, the perfect blend of safety and style. The Unit 1 FARO Smart Helmet features MIPS, a groundbreaking safety system that provides added protection against rotational forces during a fall. It's like an invisible shield for your head. Need to light up your path? No problem. This smart helmet comes with built-in LED lights at the front and back, ensuring you're visible and safe during night rides. Safety doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. The Unit 1 FARO Smart Helmet is designed with both aesthetics and comfort in mind. It's a head-turner, literally. Connecting with your helmet has never been easier. With the dedicated mobile app, you can customize settings, track your rides, and even send SOS signals in case of an emergency. Folding tuck bike. It's a type of bicycle designed with one primary goal in mind: to be compact and easy to store or transport. Whether you live in a small apartment, commute to work, or just want a bike that's incredibly convenient, a folding tuck bike could be your answer. These bikes have a unique folding mechanism that allows them to shrink in size, making them incredibly versatile. The portability factor is a significant advantage of folding tuck bikes. You can take them on public transport, stash them in the trunk of your car, or even carry them up to your apartment without breaking a sweat. This means you can enjoy the benefits of cycling without the space constraints of a traditional bike. The VELOSOCK Unisex's bike cover. If you're tired of dealing with a dirty bike or looking for a way to protect your indoor space from tire marks and dirt, this could be the perfect solution for you. The VELOSOCK Unisex's bike cover is a simple yet ingenious concept that solves a common problem for cyclists. No more tire marks on your walls or dirt on your floors. The VELOSOCK keeps all that nastiness contained. Installing this thing is a breeze. Just stretch it over your bike, and it magically conforms to the shape of your tires and frame. No zippers or rocket science needed. It's not just practical, it's a style statement. The VELOSOCK comes in a range of colors and designs to fit your personality and space. The Bosch Kiox. This little device packs a punch when it comes to enhancing your e-biking experience. Now, I've got my hands on an e-bike equipped with the Bosch Kiox display. This compact unit offers a wealth of features that can seriously up your e-biking game. One of the standout features of the Bosch Kiox is its 1.9-inch color display. It's not only easy to read, even in bright sunlight, but it's also super intuitive to use thanks to its touchscreen functionality. What I love about the Kiox is that it provides you with real-time information about your speed, distance, battery life, and more. Plus, the layout is fully customizable, allowing you to see what matters most to you during your ride. Another awesome aspect of the Bosch Kiox is that it connects with the Bosch eBike Connect app. This app lets you plan your routes, track your performance, and even receive software updates for your e-bike. It's like having a personal cycling assistant right in your pocket. But here's the real kicker. The Kiox is designed for performance. It can connect to your e-bike's motor and provide dynamic assistance. The display shows you how much power you're using, which is super handy for managing your battery life. Skarper e-bike conversion kit that can transform your regular bicycle into a powerful electric bike. It's like giving your trusty old bike a turbo boost. Some key features that make this kit stand out. The Skarper e-bike conversion kit includes a robust electric motor, a sleek battery pack, and all the necessary components to get you up and riding. It's designed for ease of use and straightforward installation, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced cyclists. Once the Skarper conversion kit is in place, your ordinary bike becomes an extraordinary e-bike. You'll enjoy a noticeable boost in speed, effortless hill climbs, and extended range. It's a game changer for your daily commutes and outdoor adventures. The Retyre modular tire system. It's a game changer for cyclists, is all about versatility and adaptability. With this innovative system, you can transform your bike tires to handle various terrains with ease. It's incredibly simple to use. Start with your base tire, which is perfect for everyday rides. When you encounter different surfaces or weather conditions, you can change the game by adding a Retyre skin. No more switching out tires or buying multiple bikes. Retyre offers a wide range of skins, each designed for specific conditions. Whether you're tackling snow, sand, gravel, or rugged trails, there's a skin tailored to your needs. Just zip them on, and you're ready to roll. In summary, the Retyre modular tire system is a must-have for any cyclist looking for versatility and convenience, and saves you money on buying multiple tires or bikes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next ride.